Hello children. Today we will start our discussion about one more important documents, that is Articles of Association, which is also known as AOA. So let us get into details about what is the meaning of Articles of Association and what are the contents of this document. Okay, so let's get started. So, Articles of Association is a document which describes the duties and responsibilities and the kinds of business or the operations of business, everything in details to the outsiders. Okay, so it describes the rules and regulations regarding how the business is to be carried out, then the company's internal affairs, that means what are the internal matters that the company need to disclose or company need to follow in order to carry out the business properly. So all these things are mentioned in details in Articles of Association. Okay, like how the shareholders will be given their rights, how the shares will be issued, everything, how, then who are the board of directors, what are their responsibilities, what are their responsibilities, duties, and how they are binded to the company. Everything will be given into details. Okay, and the Articles of Association must be signed by all the directors of the company, and it must be attested also by any of the two witnesses. Like while it is signed, two witnesses must be present and it must be attested. Okay, so now we will go into details that what are the contents of Articles of Association. Now here we have the contents of AOA. So first one is the issuing of shares. Now shares are also known as stock. Okay, that means how the shares will be issued to the public. What will be the allotment procedures, what will be the price of the shares, then what is the voting rights of the shareholders. So everything will be described in details in this section. Then the next point is the appointment of directors, how the directors will be appointed, or what are the norms that the employment of directors will be guided by. So like the share, whether the directors will be elected by the shareholders or the shareholders can be the directors itself. So some other professional individuals will be appointed as a director. So everything will be discussed here. Next is directors meeting. That means how the directors will be responsible to carry out the business. Okay, then what will be their percentage of vote, or what is their position in the business. So everything will be discussed here. Then management decision, that is who will take the decisions of the regarding the management of the company, whether the board of directors or the shareholders or some founding members. So that will be illustrated here. Then transferability of shares, that means whether the shareholders can transfer their shares, to whom they can transfer, at what amount, or by what extent the transfers can take place. So everything will be uh, regarding the transferability of shares will be discussed or will be mentioned here. Next is special voting rights of chairman or his or her mode of election. That means in some cases the chairman will be allowed to exercise his voting rights. So which are the situations that will be mentioned here. Then how the chairman will be appointed or elected. Then the dividend policy, that means whether the dividend will be given on profits, or like profits earned uh, on a regular basis, or at what percentage the dividends will be declared. Whether the like generally what happens is dividend is paid only when the company earns the enough profit. So if the company earns or company runs in loss, then the dividend to shareholders are not given. uh, and that dividend means the return on the shares. Okay, that means shareholders are investing in your business, and in return they are getting some amount of money on a regular basis. Now these shares are of two kinds, equity shares and preference shares. Now those who are subscribing to equity shares, they are getting dividend only when the company earns profit. But those who are subscribing to preference shares, they will get the dividend even if the company doesn't earn enough profit. Now the details of this kind of classification of shares will be discussed to you later on. So just for the time being, remember that dividends are given out of profits. Okay, so at what rate it will be given, that is to be discussed here in this point, dividend policy. Next is winding up. That means if suppose the company is not able to function properly and it takes a decision of winding up, then what are the process that has to be followed in that case. So all these things will be discussed in this contents of AOA. So these are the contents of AOA. I hope this is clear to you all. If you have any problem, kindly approach me. Thank you, children.